Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Hubitat Elevation system from backups, full guide step by step clearly. To restore your Hubitat Elevation system from backups, first, ensure you have access to your Hubitat Elevation dashboard. Open a web browser and enter the IP address of your Hubitat Elevation hub. Log in using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab located on the left side of the dashboard. Within the Settings menu, find and select Backup and Restore. In the Backup and Restore section, you will see a list of your previous backups. Identify the most recent backup or the specific backup you wish to restore. Click on the backup you want to use. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to proceed with the restore. Review the warning about overwriting your current settings and data. If you are ready to proceed, confirm your choice to restore the backup. The system will begin restoring your selected backup. This process may take several minutes, so be patient. Once the restoration is complete, the system will display a success message. To ensure successful restoration, navigate back to your dashboard. Verify that your devices and configurations reflect the restored backup. If any issues arise, consider repeating the process with a different backup. Your Hubitat Elevation system should now be fully restored from the selected backup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.